There are so many street food. While driving the car, the kids come out and try to sell you something, like from peanuts to water to anything edible. A lot is misunderstood about this great country where people think it's all bad news or people live in mud houses.